So today we are going to be folding regular girls t-shirt and a pair of leggings together. We will be folding the t-shirt and leggings into one bundle, and we're going to base our folding method on Marie Kondo's KonMari folding or the file folding. If you like to put them in a drawer as a bundle, or in their school bag or sleepover bag or traveling bag, it will save you a lot of time and effort. They can just grab that bundle and they've got a top and a bottom that fits together. We're gonna put the shirt down, face down, for all those embellishments and fun parts. And then our leggings, we're going to fold in half. And we're gonna put them so that the neckline up. Gotta put that part in. So then we have any embellishment or neckline is in the middle, so we can have that showing once it's folded. And it'll fit together as a nice, clean, easy bundle this way. So we're going to just fold over one side, and then the other side of the shirt. If you have a little bit longer sleeves, you want to tuck them in. This one here, could tuck them this way as well. And this way we still have the shirt collar integrity. And then if we want to show off this part, I'm going to keep this as the middle, so then we can always slide this up or down if we need to. Fold this in and in. Don't fold it too far that your neckline and everything is going to be stretched. And don't fold it so that you're wrinkling this. You don't want anything stretched, you want it to sit nice and flat and easy. Even if these are silky fabrics, it will work just fine. And just fold once, twice, both times past all that bulky material, but not up to each other, because you need space for these to sit side by side. If you have one over top of the other, they're fighting for balance and for fabric stretching, so you want them to sit side by side nicely, and that helps it stay up straight. If we had an embellishment or design, it would be showing off nicely right now. You can see from the side that you have two together, and this way they're together in a drawer. You can have a whole bunch in a row or side by side. The other way is if we wanted to show off the size of them and the neckline, we're going to pull this up just a bit further. So that is in the middle-ish, not past where our pant legs are. And it doesn't matter if you have the waistband at the top or the bottom, it's still all fine. But we want this to make sure that this is far enough that we can still do a fold without having wrinkles here or having this be just a roll or an awkward, troublesome fight. We want it to be able to fold nicely and still lay flat and not fight us. And then we want to go not past the neckline. So anywhere from here to have that, or to give it a little bit more space, we could just fold to that point, because we want that to be up, depending on how big your folds you want them to be. If you want it to file fold, you're going to want to have them a little taller. Make sure there's space. There's your file fold. That still has that at the top, but then you can see here easily. The other way would be to do one more fold here, and then have this fold, and then that is at the top. You can see the leggings and the shirt and the size and the neckline all at one go. It's fairly tall. If you have tall drawers or tall shelves. If you want it to be shorter drawers, you're going to do extra folds, smaller folds, but make sure you're not making this all wrinkly weird, wrinkly unusual. Make sure you're folding it so that this can still lay flat in a nice manner. And then don't roll it too tight if you're still folding, so that it's not fighting and stretching material awkwardly if it stays in there for a while. And for storage, if you wanted to store them as hand-me-downs in a container, this also works really well. Now, if you're wanting to have just the material and just the size show, make sure you're having a little more space. There we are. So now this is wider. So any embellishments would show, neckline shows right off the start. And if you need to have it more noticeable, so this is a set, and you have the size visible, the neckline visible, and the fact that it's 2 items put together. And this will work for drawers, for on a shelf. If your shelf is here. It will work in totes and bins, and even those vacuum storage bags. You can just grab, and the kid can take it off to school for their gym class, their sports class, their extracurricular activities. They can take this as a second set of clothing when they're visiting, or just grab it in the morning and get ready. Hey, grab it and off to grandmother's house we go.